Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I bought these 4 pieces on Etsy, and the name of the shop is Crafty Devotion. But I bought them for some projects I'm working on, and I paid between $4 and $5 each. If I'm not mistaken, I believe she says she makes these, but I may be wrong. And yes, of course you hear my husband in the background calling our dog, because he's on every video doing something. But I think these are just beautiful. They're well made. You know, they are pins that you could wear it as a brooch if you wanted to, but I bought them to make part of projects that I'm working on. And this one just, I was in awe of this one when I saw her show it. So I was glad that nobody had bought it before I got there. It's just gorgeous, very sparkly, and absolutely gorgeous. That's going to look really good on a shabby chic. These two, I just could not leave there. I couldn't resist these two, because I love my cameos. I absolutely. My mother and grandmother both always wore cameo. And I've always just been sentimental about cameos, but I just think they're gorgeous. Beautiful workmanship. And I think these were like maybe $5.50 each. And these were $4.50 each. Look how beautiful these are. And the name of her Etsy shop is Crafty Devotions, and she has several different varieties of brooches that you can use in your crafting. So if you're interested, give her a shop, you know, check and see if there's anything she has in there that you want to use on some of your projects. I mean, Christmas is coming up, so what are you making? Anyway, there is another source for you to use for whatever you need for crafting supplies. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.